Okay, Capri. What does an elephant do? What's an elephant do? Yeah, good job. So, who's your favorite, Dada or Mama? Sissy? That wasn't an answer. Dada or Mama? No, that's not an answer. Who's your favorite, Dada or Mama? Okay, who's your favorite behind Sissy? Dada or Mama? You don't know? Dada or Mama? Sissy. Okay. Why don't we have a snack and we'll come back to this. Want some snack? Okay. Is that good? Can Mommy ask you a question? Who's your favorite? Dada or Mama? Dada or Mama? Who? Sissy. Hey, guess what? Dada or Mama?
Dada.
You miss Dada?
Sissy.
You want Sissy? Do you like Dada or Mama?
Da.
Dad? You said Sissy? All right. We need to work on this. Okay, ready? Final answer. Who's your favorite? Dada or Mama? Lincoln? Your brother? Your brother? Oh. Well, I guess we lose, huh? No, Dad? Okay. Can you say cookie? Cookie? Yeah, okay.